Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I have got another bag of Happy Mail from Glynis, and Glynis sent me some more yarn. Now remember, I've spoke about Glynis quite a bit. Glynis is downsizing her house. She's going from a larger house to a smaller house, and she has been doing a clear out of her yarn, and she has had many years of collecting yarn, and every time she clears out some more boxes, some more bags, the stuff that she thinks that she's not going to use and doesn't want, she sends it to me, and we've got another bag, and everyone can see what it is that Glynis sends. She's a lovely, lovely lady, and she loves Muttley. Every single time she sends a Happy Mail, she always puts, and I can feel them here, she always puts a bag of treats in for Muttley. So we'll get this bag open. I'm going to open it right down the middle because it's all got Glynis's trademark super sticky tape, and Glynis, I need to know where you get this because this is amazing sticky tape. It's absolutely amazing. It's better than gaffer tape. It is so super sticky for your parcel. So I'm going to just cut this open here. I think it's going to be the safest place to do it. Just cut carefully. Make sure I don't cut any of the yarn. Oh, there's a little tin in there. And I'll just cut up here because I won't do anything with that bag. Oh, look at this. We've got our usual bag of treats for Muttley. I'll use this and I'll open this up. He'll go away and leave us, but then he'll bring his ball back and he'll just be looking for another one. I'm going to give him a little treat. You're allowed one. There you go. There you are. See? Auntie Glynis never forgets Muttley. So this is falling out. Look at this, another little button tin. Do you remember she gave me one of these, the last Happy Meal? She gave me another one. So the last Happy Meal, she gave me this tin full of buttons. I'm going to pop that there. And this time she told me this one was full of little white buttons, little ones, tiny little buttons. And look at that. My sister Sandra does something called button art, and you use the little buttons and you make designs in a picture frame, and they're really, really pretty. And these are beautiful, beautiful little buttons. My mum used to do that too. She used to cut all the buttons off the garments before she recycled them. I'm going to pop that aside. And oh, there's another tin. There's nothing in that one. That's a pretty tin. That's a pretty little tin. I'm going to have a stack of all these little tins. Felt another one. There's another one. I knew I felt another one. There's another little tin. These are pretty little tins. They're great for keeping needles in, your threads, lots of little things. Oh, look at this. This is lovely. Oh, look how nice and chunky that is. Now, she did say quite a few of it. She did say it was going to be the Knitting Essentials. And this is a Poundland yarn. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. I'm going to lift my camera up. It's so pretty that. It's really nice and chunky. Chunky yarn is great for doing my videos. It really shows up a lot of the stitches, and it crochets up really quickly as well, which is great for doing tutorials. I mean, a lot of the time, a lot of people don't want to have to wait for days and days and days to see a new blanket when it's done in thinner yarn. So when you demonstrate it with a chunky, this one's actually super chunky, and I think these balls are 50 grams. These are 50-gram balls. The colour on it is oatmeal. It says it's oatmeal. It's super chunky. And it's by Poundland. I'm sure it's Poundland. It does the 3 for 2. And I'm sure this is from Poundland, but look at the pretty colours in that. That is really pretty. Now I'm going to pop that down there. There's another one, and that is the oatmeal as well. That is so lovely. That's lovely. It's really soft as well. It's really soft. So we'll see if there's... We'll just go through it, and if we come across another one of those, we might. So there's some white, and this is Knitting Essentials Baby, and this is on the 3 for 2 in Poundland as well, and that is so pretty. It's 50 grams, 100% acrylic. It doesn't tell you what the meterage, if it is in meters and things for people. It just says it's 3 for your 2, 50 grams, and it's Knitting Essentials Baby, and this is double knitting, and it's really soft. It's really pretty and soft. Now it's in the oh look, there's more of that firecracker, just a little bit. She did say she found another little bit. I needed a little bit for a blanket that I'm making on my knitting loom, and that is so pretty, and it is the same colour as all the other ones. I'm going to pop that aside, that's up there, and we'll have a look at this one. This is pretty. Look at the colours in that one. That's lovely. And that's a double knitting yarn, and they're all 50 gram balls. And that is so pretty. Look, it goes from a dark burgundy through to a light pink and a red and then a white. That is so pretty. I like that. I'm going to pop that aside. I'll pop it in my box. I've got a box down there. And there's another two. The colour on this, it says it's Purple Streamers. This one is called Purple Streamers. And there's two of those. There's another one, and the one I already had, that's 1, 2, 3. There's another one, that's 4. The one I had makes it 5, and there's a little card there. I'll read that in a minute. And that one there is 6. That is so pretty. It's lovely, and it feels so soft. Soft. Oh, there's another one of those, of that oatmeal, super chunky, and another one. So that makes 4 of those ones. I'll pop them down there, and we've got 2 more of the white. They are so pretty. I'll pop them there. And before I look at the rest, I'm going to look at her card. She always makes a little homemade card. So this is her homemade card this time. I think it goes that way. That is so pretty, Glynis. I love these squares. They're so pretty. And she's got her little diamantes down the side, and a little note just saying that I hope both Muttley and I are doing well. And we are, Glynis, and we hope that you're doing well. We know you are, because we talk to you almost every day. We talk to you almost every day. That's so pretty. These are lovely. Look at these. It looks like it's like crochet, but it's not. It's really lacy. It's so pretty. I like that. That's beautiful. So I'm going to put that up there beside my other ones that she's been sending. And we'll have a look at what's left in the box, the bag. We've got this pretty grey. Look at that. Now this one is premium Aran. So that means that Pound Stretchers or Poundland are doing Aran. They're doing double knitting. They do super chunky. They do baby. That one's baby. This one's Aran. They're doing super chunky. And they're doing double knitting. That other one was double knitting. So it's that one's double knitting. So they do a whole load of different yarns. So if you're Poundland beside you does yarn and you're looking for somewhere to go, then have a look and see what they've got in your shop. That grey is really pretty. Look at that. There's 3 of those of that grey, and there's 2 of those ones. There must be another one somewhere, because oh, she might have sent me one of those in the other bag. There was one of those grey ones in the last bag that she sent. That is so pretty. It's beautiful. Glynis, thank you so much. This is beautiful. Look, even that. You can double yarn up. If you've got yarn, if you're looking for thick yarn and you don't have any, if you've got a lot of thinner yarn, you can double it up and it crochets up pretty. It crochets up really well. These are beautiful, Glynis. Thank you so much. Look at that. And then there's a white one, and there is that burgundy one. That's a double knitting. Look at these. They're so pretty. They're lovely. Thank you so much, Glynis. And once again, thank you all very much for watching. And if you're doing a D-stash, I'll put my email address at the end of the video. So please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost any money to subscribe to a YouTube channel. And if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. And give the video a thumbs up. Just come on, let's give lots of thumbs up for Glynis and all the other people who send happy mail, not just to me, but to every other YouTuber. And I know now there's a lot of YouTubers get lots of happy mail from the followers. So give them all a thumbs up, because it's a great thing that they do to support the people on YouTube. So thank you very much for watching. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.